Okay, I'm live here. Today I will talk about, and actually I've talked about silver, potential silver longs earlier today in that video. I will talk about the US dollar. I will talk about the Japanese yen, only because the Japanese yen basket maybe failed to rebound. So about silver, I will talk about silver in less than 1 minute. But first of all, guys, don't forget to read the disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks, and also don't forget that past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Trading is risky. Learn to trade. The team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. Don't forget this. The only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is if you'll send an email to support. Okay, guys, please read it. It's important. Mueller, hey, is it possible to make a Telegram group with only your signals? I don't want to get notifications of Orlando signals all the time. So Mueller, this is not my company, so I'm not making the rules here, Mueller, unfortunately. So but yeah, you can if you want, I don't know, maybe to follow my work or something, you will see my name under my work every time I will post something, videos, when I will go live, analysis, trades. Yeah, personally I'm in a small drawdown in the short term, but it's fine as well. And personally I'm working at something right now. Eric, hi, how are you? Please, guys, if you have questions, yeah, that remaining part in US oil closed at break even. Let's take a look. And yesterday's short in British pound Japanese yen closed at stop loss, but that's why personally I've used really small risk on that trade. And yeah, my US oil, yeah, maybe here, but personally I didn't. I've let it ride. I've closed at US oil here 83% in my US oil here, around 72.46 or something like this. Yeah, 170 pips. And I've let it ride, deleting also the take profit. Doctor, hi, how are you? Islam, sir, British pound Japanese yen analysis, please. Yeah, I will take a look. So please, guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, but personally I will take a look on all markets. First of all, I will start with silver, because I've said that I will take a look on silver. And personally I will take a look on all markets, US dollar, Japanese yen, silver, US oil, gold. William, hi, how are you? Advanced Life, hi, how are you? So yes, earlier today when the price was here, I've talked about a potential silver long here, but please take a look. Yeah, only false breakout above the former high here. That's why maybe I would like to see a new retest here before really developing a potential yeah, before extending its growth. Okay, so as expected, it has dropped a little. It has retested this zone. Personally, I've talked about this scenario earlier today in my daily video analysis, and I've said that after retesting here, it could jump higher again. Right now, after this amazing rally and the new higher high here on lower time frames, maybe a retreat is natural. And personally, I would like the price to come back down, and only then, after this retreat will be over, then to go long again here, maybe on silver. But I will come back with my potential trade. I will share my trade into the VIP group as always. And right now I need the price to come back to retest this zone, and then boom. Okay, this is my opinion here. I talked about this scenario. Carlo, hi, how are you? And don't forget, guys, to like the video. Yeah. Of course, if you like my my work here. And let's take a look also on the DXY first of all. Yeah. and then I will try to answer to your questions. I will take a look on the Japanese yen as well. So about about the DXY, in the short term, a potential new higher high here in the short term could signal maybe a larger rebound in the short term. So I will take a look on the US dollar pairs as well. Let's see if we'll have something like a high probability trade, because unfortunately today I didn't had something really good. That's why I didn't send any setup or trade. So let's take a look. Euro USD. Euro USD. But right now I believe that it's I believe that it's too late right now. Personally, I was out earlier. Yeah, but maybe after this retest and upon lower time frames, maybe after making a new lower low here, okay, and potential retest. But right now I don't want to go short here and to place a stop loss here or here. Maybe I'll wait for new rebounds in the short term, because yeah, maybe this could be only a temporary sell-off before trying to jump higher. So let's take a look. Yeah, US dollar, British pound, US dollar, British pound, US dollar. Yeah, British pound versus US dollar is still bullish, but right now, yeah, here in this case, it is too late to go long here, because maybe personally I would like to see retreats, temporary drops. I don't want to buy it near the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork. This is a dynamic resistance. That's why here I'll wait maybe for retreats. And let's take a look on lower time frames, but I don't no, I don't think they will have something like a potential, like a potential like a potential what? Potential guys, to catch a potential maybe sell-off. Sorry, yeah. One moment. Fortunately, I've closed it. What's the present? Confluence. One moment, guys, and I will continue here with okay. Okay, so after this amazing upwards movement, I've said that I don't want to buy it. Actually, maybe Islam, please be patient. Yeah, I will take a look on British pound, Japanese yen, but please tell me what you are looking at. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? You want to buy? You want to sell? Your levels, your time frame, please. Yeah. In the short term, let's see if we'll have something like a potential short opportunity if the DXY, if the DXY jumps higher. But maybe personally I would like to see something like this, sell off, retest, and only then to turn to the downside. William, USD CAD, triple bottom. I will take a look. Let's take a look on that market. Let's take a look on that market. And maybe I will come back here. So USD CAD. I really don't know what's happening. I have some technical problems. I don't know. It seems that my connections is really bad, but I don't understand why. Triple top, triple bottom. Sorry, triple bottom, triple bottom. But on what time frame, guys? It is really that hard to share your. Yeah, here. Sorry. Shit. So yeah, 4 hour. Yeah, William. No, it's fine. Unfortunately, I don't know, my connection is really bad. I will continue to take a look on all markets. Yeah, triple bottom, but maybe I would like the price to extend its sell-off and to approach and reach this zone here. Okay, and to take out, to close, to drop and close below these former lows, to hit this zone, and only then I will maybe I will try to identify potential longs, because right now, no, I don't want to buy it here around the former lows, because yeah, even if the economic data, let's take a look on the economic calendar. Yeah, poor Canadian economic data. Despite poor economic data, the US dollar Canadian dollar is still remains under downside pressure, is still bearish, and yeah, maybe I would like the price to hit this zone, okay, because to take out all the liquidity maybe here, and to take out the former lows, and only then I will try to identify. But yeah, I don't know, personally I would like to see a bullish pattern maybe. Yeah, here testing and retesting, or a bullish pattern here, and yeah, potential. No, personally I don't see a triple bottom here. Maybe it's yeah, true, still a very bearish market. There's no, actually, maybe here we can talk about maybe a sideways movement, a potential range, and yeah, but yeah, if US dollar Canadian dollar develops a potential bullish pattern here, okay, something like if it will print false breakdown great separation, guys, pin bar, or a major bullish engulfing, or I don't know, double bottom here, maybe something like I don't know, inverse head and shoulders or something here. So a reversal pattern here, guys, around this demand zone could bring us long opportunities, and maybe with a potential stop loss below this former low here. Yeah, but it remains to see. That's why right now I'll wait to see how it will react, and I'll wait for the price to approach and reach this zone, and yeah, personally I will have to close something from here. Yeah. before. No, right now I don't have anything really good on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Yeah, because actually the price could test and retest the immediate resistance level, supply zones before turning to the downside. Shit. I don't know what's going on here with my connection. Yeah, but unfortunately, no, I don't have anything really good here. If I will have something, yeah, William, thank you as well. Let's take a look on British pound, Japanese yen, because unfortunately, maybe I will have to end this webinar sooner because, yeah. It seems that I have some technical problems. I don't know why, but I will try to solve these problems. So about British pound, Japanese yen, because you asked me about this market, is still bullish. Okay, it's still strongly bullish because the yen basket it is bearish, and but after this amazing rally and strong upwards movement, personally I don't want to buy it here. Actually, I'll wait for maybe for temporary retreats, for temporary corrections, maybe before I will go long again. Pound market is super, yeah, but yeah, I don't want to buy it maybe here right now. Actually, maybe I'll wait for retreats, for a temporary correction, for a temporary retreat, temporary drop, before I will look for maybe BOG, Bank of Japan, on Friday next week will have some news. Yeah, maybe, but we'll have to wait. So I don't want to buy it here. Actually, maybe I would like to see a retreat, a sell-off. Maybe I will keep an eye on this zone, or if we have a larger retreat, then I will look for longs. Right now, let's take a look again on the yen basket. Yen basket. Yen basket. Yeah, today I've talked about a potential rebound in the short term on the yen basket, but yeah, the downside pressure remains high. It has retested here the yeah. I talked about the potential falling wedge pattern here, and the price retested the downside line. It could still try to rebound. So yeah, maybe personally I will still look for potential scalping positions, potential maybe, I don't know, Japanese yen longs, but no, maybe I'll wait only for a temporary rebound, and then I will look for potential new Japanese yen shorts. Okay, yeah, because the downside pressure remains high, and it could register only temporary rebounds in the short term. Right now I don't have something really good, but yeah, I don't know what's going on with my connection, unfortunately. Yeah, it could still try to rebound after a new retest here, after failing to stabilize below the former low here. It could try to rebound, and yeah, that's why, guys, I don't want to buy British pound, Japanese yen right now. Actually, I'll wait for a retreat if the Japanese yen basket will rebound in the short term. Okay. Euro, Japanese yen, let's take a look. Shit. No. William, so all Japanese yen pairs will remain bullish as long as the Japanese yen basket is bearish. Yeah, despite temporary retreats, the Japanese yen pairs will remain bullish. Yeah, but yeah, we need good maybe setups. Yeah, Euro Japanese yen, guys, reached this zone, and maybe I'll have here something like a potential new long opportunity after reaching this zone. If it stays above the former lows and very important above this this immediate low here, I'll wait to see how it will react. False breakdowns, test retest could bring us a potential new long here. Euro Japanese yen, guys. Euro Japanese yen. Yeah. Euro Japanese yen. I will try to catch a potential new rally here or on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Yeah. No, unfortunately. Maybe I will try to go live later today after I will solve my technical problems. Unfortunately, Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Yeah, we had a strong sell-off here on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen only because the Canadian economic data came in worse than expected earlier today. Yeah, maybe personally I was looking at potential shorts here, but yeah, if the Canadian data it would have, if the Canadian would have reported better than expected data, then most likely Canadian dollar Japanese yen, it would have resumed its upwards movement, its growth. Maybe after a new sell-off here, I will look for potential new longs. I've said Euro Japanese yen, maybe it will be the market for a potential new Japanese yen short. Gold, let's take a look. Gold. Yeah, pin bar, false breakout, great separation, but false breakout. Yeah, sharp movements in both directions around the Canadian economic data. William, thank you as well. Thank you as well. Yeah, unfortunately, I have some technical problems here, and I believe that the video is lagging or something. No, I don't want to do anything here after false breakout with great separation, false breakdown with great separation here in gold. Maybe only silver, potential longs in silver. Silver, but of course if it stays above 24.210, 24.160, above the upper medium line here, as I've said earlier today in that video. Yeah, okay. Bearish triple top Nasdaq, but as I've said, guys, it is really that hard to tell me also your time frame. Yeah, maybe we'll have a triple tap also on 5 minutes and also on 4 hour. Which one? Okay. Please guys, yeah, Yeah, William, nothing really good, but also it's Friday right now. We don't have something really good, something really good on gold. And when I don't have something really good, like a high probability trade, I prefer to stay out. Okay, I don't want to go long, I don't want to go short. About Nasdaq, about US 100, are you talking about maybe this potential? I don't know, but I don't think it's a triple top here. No. Yeah, sorry guys, personally I have to end this webinar here, unfortunately, and I will come back next week on Monday, Tuesday. I will go live, and I will try to solve my technical problems, because it is really hard also for you to maybe to understand everything here, as long as so personally I don't see a triple top here. Yeah, I don't see a triple top. DXY, it could try to rebound, and the potential rebound, as I've said, I will keep on an eye on all markets, and I will come back. I will share something maybe in a few minutes after I will end this webinar, maybe, because it's really hard for me also to take a look on all markets, or to look for setups. My connection is really bad. But taking out maybe here the former high could open the door for a larger rebound here on the dollar index, and this scenario could signal a potential US dollar appreciation, and maybe we'll have something in the short term on the US dollar. Maybe we'll have something on the euro, Japanese yen, maybe on silver. Okay, thank you guys. I will end this webinar here, unfortunately, and have a great weekend, guys. I will come back next week. I will go live maybe several times, only because yeah, unfortunately right now I have some technical problems. Have a great weekend, guys. I will come back with new setups.